Apple continues to set the standard in the smartphone market with the release of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, a device that exemplifies the cutting edge of technology, performance, and sustainability. For those who demand the very best in mobile innovation, the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512GB black titanium stands out as a flagship offering, blending unparalleled power with a sleek premium design. At the heart of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the new A18 Pro chip, built using second-generation 3nm technology. This processor is not just a step up from its predecessor, it represents a leap forward in both efficiency and capability. The A18 Pro features a 16-core neural engine, enabling advanced artificial intelligence tasks to run smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, engaging in intensive gaming, or leveraging AI-powered photography features, the A18 Pro ensures everything feels fast, responsive, and seamless. The display is another area where the iPhone 16 Pro Max shines. Sporting a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel, users are treated to vibrant colors, inky blacks, and remarkable clarity. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth scrolling and gameplay, while peak brightness reaches up to 2000 nits, making the screen easily viewable even in harsh sunlight. For media enthusiasts, this combination of size, resolution, and brightness transforms everyday tasks and entertainment into immersive experiences. Photography and videography see significant improvements with this generation. The iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces a dedicated camera control button, offering instant access to the camera app and a suite of manual controls. This hardware enhancement makes it easier than ever to capture fleeting moments. The camera system itself supports 4K video recording at an impressive 120 frames per second, opening new creative possibilities for content creators and professionals. Users have consistently reported that the camera produces professional-grade photos and videos in all lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dim interiors. Battery life has always been a critical factor for power users, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max delivers in this area as well. Thanks to a new internal architecture and advanced power management, the device offers up to 33 hours of video playback. In real-world usage, many have found the phone can last well over 48 hours on a single charge, even with heavy multitasking. This endurance means less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying what the phone can do. The iPhone 16 Pro Max 512GB black titanium model is particularly notable for its aesthetic and durability. The black titanium finish exudes sophistication, offering a premium feel that stands up to daily wear and tear. The use of titanium not only enhances the device's strength, but also contributes to its lightweight design, making it comfortable to hold and use throughout the day. In keeping with Apple's ongoing commitment to sustainability, the iPhone 16 Pro Max incorporates more than 25% recycled content. The internal structural frame uses 100% recycled aluminum, and 80% or more of the steel in various components is recycled as well. Even the battery is made with 100% recycled cobalt and over 95% recycled lithium. These efforts reflect a broader move in the tech industry towards environmentally conscious manufacturing, ensuring that high performance and luxury do not come at the expense of the planet. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512GB black titanium is more than just a smartphone. It's a showcase of what's possible when innovation, performance, and sustainability come together. For adults seeking the latest and greatest in high-tech gadgets, this device stands at the pinnacle, offering unmatched power, advanced features, and a forward-thinking approach to design and environmental responsibility. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets news for the latest updates and reviews on breakthrough technology just like this. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High Tech Gadgets news for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.